You will thank me for this brilliant no-bake dessert. Soak the ladyfingers in milk. Shape a rectangle of ladyfingers on plastic wrap. Crack 2 eggs into the saucepan. Add sugar and whisk. Add starch. Pour in milk and stir a little. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Add butter. Pour in vanilla extract and mix the cream. Cool the cream in the bowl for 30 minutes. Take the cream with a spatula. Spread the ladyfingers with pastry cream. Smooth the cream layer with the spatula. Put starch in a saucepan. Pour in Fanta and whisk. Boil the jelly, stirring continuously until it thickens. Cool the Fanta jelly for 30 minutes. Spread the cream with a thin layer of jelly. Roll the filled ladyfingers into a tight roll and put the roll in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Pour milk into the saucepan. Add vanilla extract, sugar, white chocolate. Stir until the chocolate melts. Pour the milk into the glass. Decorate with whipped cream. Sprinkle decorative chocolate. Remove the roll from the refrigerator. Add powdered sugar to the bowl with whipped cream. Whip the cream with a whisk. Coat the roll with whipped cream on all sides. Decorate the dessert with Nutella and chill for another 30 minutes. With a delicate Fanta flavor, this ladyfinger roll with fine cream cannot be missing from festive tables. For even more freshness, decorate the roll with mint leaves.